Turkish 4 Charlie Papa at runway 35 left ready for departure IFR to Hamburg. Turkish 4 Charlie Papa hold short runway 35 left. Traffic is Airbus A321 on the runway. Hold short runway 35 left Turkish 4 Charlie Papa. Turkish 4 Charlie Papa line up and wait. Line up and wait Turkish 4 Charlie Papa. Istanbul Tower, Turkish 8 Romeo Lima at runway 35 left ready for departure IFR to Frankfurt. Turkish 8 Romeo Lima QNH tree 0.06 when 044 at 21. Cleared for takeoff runway 35 left.
Approach Aeroflot 2135 is type Airbus A321 4